Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a bartender here at Luma, and today we're going to be making our homemade red sangria. To start off with, we use a nice big scoop of ice straight into the wine glass. We build our whole recipe straight over the ice. The next step is half an ounce of any brandy that you can find at your LCBO. Again, right over the ice. Next we use half an ounce of triple sec, which is also from the LCBO. And here we use freshly squeezed orange juice. We use a full ounce. But at home you can use any of your favorite orange juice you find at your local grocery store. Follow it up by your favorite red wine, and we use 3 full ounces. We mix it over the ice. Now at home you can be a bit more loose with the ounces. So you do a nice big dash of Sprite. Give it a nice big stir. That'll be nice and tasty for you. We garnish it with a nice big orange wheel, make it nice and fruity for the summer. And there you go, homemade sangria.